Hey everyone, this is Hunter from GoLive, and in this video I'll be walking you through the Hype template for Squarespace. The Hype design is a sleek, modern, and dynamic Squarespace 7.0 template design crafted for lifestyle brands, online influencers, communities, events, conferences, podcast hosts, bloggers, thought leaders, and influencers. Basically, those who are making a splash on the web. This design is a bright, playful, colorful, and extremely functional design that's very easy to implement. The design is absolutely customizable from the fonts to the colors, and with Squarespace you can easily integrate your own photos, host your own blog, promote your own podcast, or even host your own online shop. This template is set up to do all those things, and we'll teach you how to set it up all in our step-by-step video tutorials. This website template requires no Photoshop, and the modern design lends itself to an easy customization so you can quickly and easily add your own unique style. On the homepage of the Hype template, we have a sleek and minimal navigation and logo area at the top of the website that has the logo, main navigation, a cart link, and a search icon. This whole top section is totally customizable. You can remove or add elements, move the logo to the right or center. You can remove the search icon or the cart icon, and you could even add in social links and customize this section even more to fit your brand or business. Below the navigation area, we have a section for you to feature the main focus of your website. We do this with a strong collage style visual and copywriting so your website viewers know exactly what the business is about within seconds of landing on your website. Below this header area, we begin to start featuring some of the content within the website. First step on the demo design is our podcast that we imagine this company hosting. Here, you could give your readers a little preview of what to expect on your podcast by featuring and linking to 2 recent or popular episodes. And if you don't have a podcast, this section could even feature a blog, a single blog category, your shop, or something else that would fit your brand or business model. Below that, we have another collage style image with a place to implement more copywriting. And here we imagine linking up to the website's shop page, but you could also link it to any other page on your website. Below that, we have a gallery of 4 images that span the width of the design. Here, you could feature 4 strong brand images, but you could also feature blog posts, blog categories, shop items, shop categories, or more. These images can have buttons and text added in and can be made clickable. The possibilities are endless here, and it's really easy to change and customize. Below that, we imagine featuring a blog. Here you could give your readers a little preview of what to expect on your blog by featuring and linking to 2 recent or popular blog posts. If you don't have the podcast, like I mentioned above, this could feature another blog category if you wanted to feature 2 of your most popular blog categories in those 2 sections. Before we get to the footer, we have our last image and text area. This is another collage style image with a place to implement your own copywriting. Here we had imagined linking up to the website's events page, but you could also easily link it up to any other page on your website. Lastly, we have the footer, which includes a feature of your navigation again here on the left, your email newsletter, social media links, and your Instagram feed. Before I show you some of the interior pages, I do want to show you the mobile version too. If we slide this over, I can show you that and scroll on up. This design is very mobile friendly, and Squarespace automatically makes the design responsive for different screen sizes. The mobile version of the Hype template is sleek and easy to navigate, but still keeps the dynamic and modern vibes throughout. Here, if I click up at the top, you can also see the menu come up to the side. So now if I go over to the About page back on our full width view, you can see that we have a header that matches the style of the homepage with a space for brand imagery and copywriting. Below that, we have a space for you to write more about your brand or business, feature a quote or your mission and company motto, and then a space featuring your team. Lastly, below a longer writing section, we have a space with 4 calls to action that highlight some of the interior or other sections of your website. If we scroll back up to the main navigation, we can head to our next page, which is the podcast. You can imagine what it would look like to feature your podcast with Squarespace here. We have a strong header that matches the collage style of the rest of the design and then features episodes shown in a grid below. If we click into a post, you can see what an episode post would look like, including the audio bar. You can actually host a podcast with Squarespace. When you post your audio file to your Squarespace blog, it actually syncs and uploads to Apple Podcasts automatically. Next up, we have the events page. If you don't have events that you're hosting, you could also use this layout to either feature services or something else that relates to your brand or business model. And then at the bottom of the page, again, we have the same call to action buttons from the About page that link to interior pages and additional content of the website. So now if we go over to the shop, we had imagined this brand also hosting a shop of some kind. This could be physical products, or you could also sell digital downloads, guides, or ebooks using Squarespace's integrated e-commerce platform. There's no need for additional widgets or plugins to be able to host your own online shop. When you click into an individual product, you can see what it would look like with the image, the title, a description, and an add to cart button. So now if we scroll back up, we can go to the main blog. And here we have another blog header section, and it has a drop down to feature main categories from your website and a search bar here so people could search for relevant blog posts. Then we have the blog post featured in a grid style layout. If we click into one of the blog posts, you can see what a blog post would look like with the categories up top, the blog title, and more copywriting down the side, and spaces for comments. Blogs are also customizable with Squarespace, so you could change up the layout of this just as much as you can change up the layout of any of these pages that we've shown you so far. We also designed a dynamic looking contact page for this template so that your website visitors can quickly and easily contact your company. As we head back to the homepage, that is a wrap up of the whole entire Hype template, designed for Squarespace by GoLive, a website design company. This bright, colorful, and extremely functional template designed with lifestyle brands and influencers in mind is popular because there's no Photoshop needed. There's the use of modern collage style images and an easy, sleek, and easy to customize layout. If you have any questions about this template, shoot us an email at hello@golivehq.co.